our principal and Father P.C. Thomas to join us on the stage and hand over the graduation certificates to our little UKG students. Now I would like to invite our little graduate Adia. Adia, a bright and cheerful child who always comes to school with a happy smile. She loves learning new things and enjoys playing with friends. One day she dreams of becoming a doctor. Please present the certificate. Please welcome Aradia, a smart and joyful learner. She actively participates in class and spreads happiness everywhere she goes. In the future, she dreams of becoming a competent teacher. Kindly present the certificate. Our next shining star is Arashi. Arashi. She is a confident and energetic child who loves school activities. She always brings joy to the classroom. One day she hopes to fly high and become a good teacher. Please present the certificate. Arashi. Let us welcome Aaron Roni with a big round of applause. He is a friendly and helpful student who enjoys learning. In the future, he wishes to become an army. Kindly present the certificate. Here comes our creative learner, Arompal. He loves drawing, coloring, and expressing ideas. One day, he dreams of becoming a teacher. Please present the certificate. Please welcome Arush, a curious and intelligent student. He always asks questions and loves discovering new things. In the future, he hopes to become a teacher. Kindly present the certificate. Now we invite Ayush Gode, a hardworking and enthusiastic learner. He enjoys participating in all classroom activities. One day he dreams of becoming an army. Kindly present the certificate. Let us clap for Arjiti, a cheerful and active child. She spreads smiles wherever she goes. She enjoys learning songs, stories, and games. In the future, she hopes to become a teacher. Please present the certificate. Our next graduate is Ahana. She is kind and caring student who loves helping friends. She enjoys coming to school and learning new lessons. One day she dreams of becoming a teacher. Kindly present the certificate. Please welcome Amo, a bright and confident learner. He shows excitement in classroom activities. He enjoys playing and learning with friends. In the future, he dreams of becoming an army. Please present the certificate. Now calling Apu, a joyful and energetic child. He fills the classroom with laughter and happiness. He enjoys every moment at school. One day he hopes to become an army. Please present the certificate. Let us welcome Azil, a creative and cheerful child. He always tries new things with excitement. In the future, he dreams of becoming an army. Kindly present the certificate. Our next little graduate is Siam Harsik. He is curious and always eager to learn something new. He enjoys exploring ideas and asking questions. One day, he hopes to become a doctor. Kindly present the certificate. Please clap for Darshan, a smart and hardworking child. He loves solving problems and learning interesting things. He always does the best in every activity. In the future, he dreams of becoming a pilot. Now inviting Rustam, a bright and friendly student. He spreads happiness and kindness to everyone. He enjoys school life very much. One day he dreams of becoming an engineer. Rustam. Please welcome Harshit Malik, a joyful learner who loves participating in activities. He enjoys stories, games, and learning with friends. In the future, he hopes to become an Indian Army. Let us clap for Hangirgi Ashish, a confident and happy child. He loves exploring and learning new things. One day, he dreams of becoming a police. Our next graduate is Jatin. He is a brave and enthusiastic learner. He enjoys teamwork and helping friends. In the future, he wishes to become an army. Please welcome Kashfi, a creative and colorful personality. She loves drawing and expressing ideas through art. She always enjoys creative activities. One day, she hopes to become a teacher. Kindly present the certificates. Now we invite Kashfi Yas, a curious learner who enjoys discovering new ideas. She always asks interesting questions. She loves learning about the world. In the future, she dreams of becoming a doctor. Please present the certificate. Let us welcome Michelle, a bright and enthusiastic child. He loves learning and playing with friends. He always tries new things with excitement. One day, he hopes to become an army. Please present the certificate. Our next little star is Nutan. He spreads joy and kindness wherever he goes. He enjoys school activities very much. In the future, he dreams of becoming an army. Please clap for Padmasri, a gentle and caring learner. She loves helping friends and sharing happiness. One day, she hopes to become a teacher. Now calling Pranav Thakur, a cheerful and confident student. He loves participating in games and activities. In the future, he dreams of becoming a police. Our next graduate is Pritam. He is creative and imaginative. He loves drawing and drawing pictures. In the future, he dreams of becoming a police. Please welcome Prithvit Reddy, a curious learner who enjoys exploring the world. He loves asking questions and discovering new ideas. One day, he hopes to become an actor. Now inviting Ramya, a hardworking and smart student. She always tries to do the best in every activity. In the future, she dreams of becoming a teacher. Let us clap for Rina, a joyful and friendly learner. She spreads happiness everywhere. One day, she hopes to become a police. Please welcome Salome, a bright and enthusiastic child. She loves learning songs and stories. In the future, she dreams of becoming a teacher. Our next little graduate is Sanjana. She is confident and full of energy. She enjoys school activities very much. One day, she hopes to become a teacher. Now, Colin Samvi Sunil, a brave and cheerful student. She enjoys learning and playing with friends. In the future, she dreams of becoming a teacher. Please welcome Sanvi. She is creative and happy learner. She loves coloring and drawing beautiful pictures. One day, she hopes to become a police. Let us clap for Sharon Angel, a curious and intelligent child. She always enjoys discovering new things. In the future, she dreams of becoming a teacher. Our next graduate is Sharvin Roy. He is hardworking and smart student. One day, he hopes to become a DC. Please welcome Shravani. She is cheerful and friendly. She enjoys learning and playing with friends. In the future, she dreams of becoming a teacher. Now, I invite Sylvester, a joyful and enthusiastic learner. He enjoys learning stories and songs. One day, he hopes to become a DC. Let us welcome Sahaj Prince. He is confident and energetic child. He loves school and classroom activities. In the future, he dreams to become an army. Please clap for Stephen, a brave and active learner. He enjoys playing and learning with friends. One day, he hopes to become an army. Our next shining star is Sauranj. He is creative and imaginative. He loves expressing ideas through art. In the future, he dreams of becoming an army. Let us welcome our wonderful graduate Vincent Joy. He is a brave and cheerful student. He enjoys learning and playing with friends. In the future, he dreams of becoming a pilot. Let us welcome our wonderful graduate Vincent Joy. He is a brave and cheerful student. He enjoys learning and playing with friends. In the future, he dreams of becoming a pilot. Please welcome our next graduate, Angel. She is a creative and imaginative. She loves drawing colorful pictures. In the future, she dreams of becoming an IPS.